The government is being urged by the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, to include COVID-19 rapid testing in its arsenal against the pandemic. They are calling for a parallel testing strategy that incorporates both the polymerase chain reaction PCR and rapid antigen testing for the novel coronavirus COVID-19. PCR testing alone has reportedly proven expensive and presents many challenges. We get more in this report.
In a statement Tuesday, the JHTA president made the case for rapid testing. Robinson argued that the science has advanced significantly to now include rapid antigen testing that produces results in as little as 15 minutes. On the contrary, Robinson says while traditional PCR testing has proven accurate up to now, the process is onerous and the wait time too long, and according to him, many of our active cases may have been the result of this gap. Speaking at a press conference on Monday at Jamaica House, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton gave a cautious response to the issue of rapid testing.
There are many discoveries. Modern science is trying hard to play catch-up with COVID-19. And every week, we get correspondence from persons or entities across the world, from different countries, that they have this new breaking technology that is a 10-minute test, a 5-minute test, a 1-hour test. You know, some of this kind of discovery, as is the case with the vaccine, is encouraging, but modern medicine tends to be very conservative to the extent that they embrace a technology that is going to determine on the human anatomy, for fear that if they make errors, it could have consequences. There is an ethics committee, for example, in the Ministry of Health and Wellness that has to approve a number of these most latest approaches. And that ethics committee comprises of technical experts who will take a new discovery, assess it, look at the approvals that have been had, whether in the country of origin, in the US, the federal, FDA, CDC, or in Europe. They don't just accept everything that is presented and then impose it on the population, because that would be, frankly speaking, dangerous. And so there are new inventions out there which we are looking at, but it's difficult to just impose them until you have sufficient approvals based on sufficient trials and so on. And that's an ongoing process.
The PCR test shows if a person has an active coronavirus infection, while an antigen test looks for antibodies that are developed by the immune system in response to the virus. At the end of July, COVID-19 rapid antibody testing was approved for professional use in the United Kingdom and the European Union, while the United States Department of Health and Human Services and the Department of Defense on August 27 awarded a contract for $760 million to Abbott Laboratories for delivery of 150 million rapid COVID-19 antigen tests called Binax Now. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Gabrielle Thompson.